Hi guys, it's DeathRaider677 here, and today I'll be doing Ravenfield again, and Little Pug Ribbons here. Yeah, and subscribe to both of us if you can, if you haven't already. So, yeah, and I'll be trying to go James Bond style as much as I can, which is just use pistol, but I'll probably be using the Quicksilver if there's any red guys. So, yeah, that's the pistol I'll be using. It's a silenced one, so it's more James Bond-like in a sense. The no. Fish. Second attempt of bombing the red guy's base. I support. I didn't support Trump. And also, if you want to subscribe to other YouTube channels, I'll give you a hint on Hollower147. I mean, like, I'm not saying that his channel's any good, but just subscribe because I'm gonna be a nice kid. Ow, that must have hurt. I've also got a question. How come you die if you crash into a tree? Plane after plane. Most of them are probably going to be destroyed, but... Ow! How did that boat not get destroyed? Ooh, someone's been shot at. Don't judge, but I suck at aiming. No, helicopter, that's my helicopter, would have been. Is that a red person? Oh, it's great timing. And now I'm gonna be shot at. Ow.